Don't get jealous. Hi, my name's Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake, where ESL teaching is made easy. If you're new here, then you need to know that I make weekly ESL teaching tip videos to help you improve your English teaching. So if you are teaching ESL online or abroad, then make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you're teaching. For new online teachers, knowing how to adjust your teaching for the online platform can be tricky, when actually a lot of the teaching basics are the same. We just need to apply them. For example, lesson planning is essential because the flow and structure of your class will determine just how well it goes. So planning is essential, and if you're not sure how to make a lesson plan, then you can check this video out right here where I go through all the planning basics step by step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mooncake English PPTs to help teach your students new vocabulary. Now, today's PPT teaches vegetables and is available in the freebies section of the Mooncake English website, so make sure you check it out after this video. So, without further ado, let's get started. For this activity, all you're going to need is the free vegetable PPT available from mooncakeenglish.com. Now, just like any other class, we're going to begin with a warm-up. Now, for younger students, I really like to start with a song or a chant, as this really captures students' attention. Now, this song or chant can be one that students have learned previously or one that is related to the subject that you're teaching. For example, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more. Good job! Note how slowly I'm singing the song and how I repeat it twice through using TPR as I do. Next, you're going to have students chant all together. Farmer Brown, Farmer Brown, where are you? Farmer Brown, Farmer Brown, where are you? As students are chanting, this is a perfect opportunity to switch your screen and transition into the vegetable PPT. As you do, Farmer Brown is going to pop up and say hello. This is also a great opportunity to start reviewing some previously taught self-introduction questions and responses. So at this point, you can have students ask Farmer Brown different questions such as what's your name and how old are you, depending on what you've previously taught. Next, Farmer Brown is going to show you his farm and all the different vegetables that he's growing there. You're going to have all the students ask Farmer Brown all together. Farmer Brown, Farmer Brown, what are you growing? Farmer Brown, Farmer Brown, what are you growing? Next, you can introduce the different vegetables one by one using chants and TPR as you do. If you're not sure how to use TPR in your classroom, then make sure you check out my video on TPR linked below. Carrot, 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 carrot. Now, if your students are at a higher level, then you can add in some extra review questions such as, what color is it? What color is it? Is it red? Orange. Or you can add in some extra phrases that uses the new vocabulary such as, I like carrots. I like carrots. I like carrots. So think about what your students have previously learned and what extra language you could add in. Real quick, if you are finding this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button, as it really helps the channel to reach more teachers. After introducing all the vegetables, suddenly the hungry rabbit arrives. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Explain to the students that the hungry rabbit wants to eat all the vegetables. The rabbit is hungry. The rabbit is hungry. The rabbit is hungry. Watch as the rabbit slowly eats the different vegetables. After each time the hungry rabbit eats a vegetable, ask your students which vegetable is missing. What is missing? What is missing? If your students aren't able to name the vegetable right away, then help them by using a few prompts. Is the carrot missing? No. Is the potato missing? No, 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 no. Is the eggplant missing? Bing, 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 bing. Finally, before ending the class, you're going to ask your students which vegetable they like the most. And again, think about some different review language that you could add in here. Now, this PPT is designed in a way to help teach the main language points using a small story. So instead of just introducing some new vocabulary, we've got a farmer on a farm showing us his vegetables. And instead of just playing a what's missing game, we have a rabbit eating the different vegetables on the farm. Using this kind of narrative helps to keep students engaged and interested in the lesson. So there you have it, a fun and engaging activity to teach vegetables to young learners online. Today's PPT is available for free on the freebies section of the Mooncake English webpage, which you can find linked below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit that like button and comment with the word helpful in the comments below. If you're looking for more online teaching tips, then make sure you check out some of my other videos right here. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Or if you're interested in a teacher tee by Mooncake, including this one right here, you can find them linked below. And of course, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake.